Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Is it possible for a colossal book weighing almost 75 kilograms and containing hidden knowledge of the unseen to be authored by someone in a single night? Is it possible to create a book entirely by utilizing the skins of 160 donkeys, using them as pages for writing instead of traditional paper? Prepare to be captivated by the fact that a book measuring 36 inches in length, 20 inches in width, and 8.7 inches in thickness holds the title of the largest known medieval manuscript, and it is said to be authored by none other than Satan himself. This massive book, said to be written in just one night, with a full-page illustration of Shaytan inside it. Known as the Devil's Bible, the Codex Gigas. But what is the truth behind this ancient manuscript? Could it really have been written with the help of the devil himself? And what does Islam say about such knowledge given in the book? Today we dive deep into the mystery of the Codex Gigas from an Islamic perspective. The Codex Gigas, Latin for giant book, is the largest medieval manuscript known to man. Weighing over 75 kilograms and containing more than 300 pages made from donkey's skin, it is believed to have been created in the early 13th century in Bohemia, modern-day Czech Republic. It was written in a single night by a monk named Herman the Recluse. He was condemned to be walled up alive for breaking his monastic vows. To avoid this punishment, he promised to create a book encompassing all human knowledge in one night. As midnight approached, realizing it was impossible, he supposedly made a pact with the devil. In exchange for his soul, the devil helped him complete the book overnight. And in the middle of the manuscript, there is a full-page drawing of a demonic figure with claws, horns, and glowing red eyes. This is the page which has no connection with its previous or later pages, and this hints that the devil is the real writer of the book. Scientists report that 10 pages are missing from the book, containing hidden knowledge of the universe. Whoever possesses or discovers these pages will hold potentially dangerous information capable of causing extreme destruction and chaos. Scientists estimate that if a person had written continuously for 20 years, they could have completed it. This reflects the high level of content and hard work present in the book. However, the monk managed to accomplish this in just one night, even retrieving the skins of 160 donkeys to write on the book. This was all due to the fact that he was not the true author. The real writer of the book was none other than Satan himself. Islam strictly forbids seeking knowledge or power through jinn, magic, or devils. It is nothing new that a person sold his soul to the devil in order to gain benefits of this world. The Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, "Whoever goes to a fortune teller and believes what he says has disbelieved in what was revealed to Muhammad." Writing a book with the help of Shaytan, that would be a grave form of kufr. A person who does so is essentially selling his faith in exchange for knowledge or fame. This is a method of Satan to humiliate humans and make them his slaves, proving the point that he is indeed better than humans. The Codex Gigas contains the entire Bible, historical texts, medical knowledge, and even exorcism spells. Some scholars say its arrangement and content hint at esoteric knowledge, the kind forbidden in Islam. In the Quran, Allah warns us about magic that was taught by devils. They instead followed the magic promoted by the devils during the reign of Solomon. Never did Solomon disbelieve, rather the devils disbelieved. They taught magic to the people, along with what had been revealed to the two angels Harut and Marut in Babylon. The two angels never taught anyone without saying, "We are only a test for you, so do not abandon your faith." Yet people learned magic that caused a rift even between husband and wife, although their magic could not harm anyone except by Allah's will. They learned what harmed them and did not benefit them, although they already knew that whoever buys into magic would have no share in the hereafter. Miserable indeed was the price for which they sold their souls, if only they knew. Codex Gigas is nothing but a relic of such forbidden knowledge. This book is a warning of what happens when man tries to control the unseen. One of the most mysterious parts of the book is the full-page drawing of a demonic creature, exactly how Satan is depicted. In Islam, Shaytan does not have one fixed form. He can whisper, influence, and deceive, but often appears as light, truth, or temptation. That's the danger. Shaytan is a master of illusion. The image is a message about who really influenced the book. Islam teaches us to avoid even looking into the details of dark magic or demonic worship. The Codex Gigas may be an ancient curiosity, but for Muslims, it is a stark reminder. Not all knowledge is good. Not all knowledge is from Allah. True knowledge is what brings you closer to the Creator, not what comes through darkness and deception. Let us hold fast to the Quran, the Sunnah, and the light of guidance, and beware of the paths that lead to darkness, no matter how ancient, mysterious, or fascinating they may seem. The Codex Gigas, a book that may have been born from a moment of desperation, or from something far darker. But the truth is clear in Islam. Shaytan only misguides. He offers nothing but loss in the hereafter. May Allah protect us from his whispers and grant us knowledge that leads us to Jannah, not Jahannam. Amin.